Ranch Bulls. This is Lexi's Girl in the Morning Announcements. Today is Friday, August 26, 2022. Random fact of the day. Bees have 5 eyes. National Dog Day is on every August 26th. We are getting ready to celebrate all our furry friends in the best ways possible. Can you believe that our furry friends have been with us for at least 14,000 years? Thank goodness for that, because what would we do without man's best friend? It is time to pull out the cake and pictures of your pup and share your love for them with the world. Lunch today is oven-fried drumstick, biscuit, garden bar, fresh or canned fruit. Weather today is scattered thunderstorms with a high of 71 degrees. We have made it to Friday. Everyone, bring your field day shirts to our next week to get your handprint put on it for this year. The classes that need to bring their shirts on Monday are Miss Kelleher, Miss Escobar, Miss Hall, Miss Murray, and Miss Carl. Everyone have a great day, and remember, Bulls lead the way.